Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your hire shop in your owner dashboard. From the home page, click on your profile in the top right and select your dashboard from the drop-down menu. Once in your dashboard, select Shop and then Manage Shop. Begin by filling out the details on the General tab. There is an option to enable free shipping. If you choose to accept this option, you can decide how much the customer must spend before being able to receive free shipping. Next, fill in the shop policies. You can add additional information where you can put opening hours, and there is also a box named Owner Information. Here you can talk about yourself and your experience. The next tab is Addresses. Here it will ask you to fill in a return address and pick-up addresses. The pick-up address allows you to add depots if you have them or different locations. You can name the locations when it asks for the address title. For example, here, the pick-up address is being listed as the main depot. Next, we have the Media tab. This is so you can upload a logo and a banner for your hire shop page on the public website. Use the buttons on the bottom to tweak your image, and make sure to click the crop button to submit your logo or banner. You also have the option to add social platforms to your hire shop. This adds an icon to your hire shop so that customers can click through to your social media accounts.
The next and final tab is Stripe Connect. Stripe is the payment engine used to keep payments secure. Select Register Account and click on the link to continue to the browser. Once at the browser, follow the steps to complete the setup.
Here is a preview of what a hire shop could look like once you have completed the steps discussed in this tutorial. You have now completed your hire shop setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.